We must defend the ideals of our comrades died for on this Heroes Day. I cannot offer empty celebration while so many Zimbabweans carry the burden of poverty, exclusion, and disappointment. Sanabina mashkubranyi kwa pangwa ino ndugu subscribe or like out on the bill. I continue. I'm not more kwa absence. Heroes Day is not merely a date on the calendar. It is a national obligation to remember why our comrades fought, suffered, and died. They did not go to war so that the nation's wealth would be captured by a privileged few, while ordinary citizens struggle for decent livelihoods. They did not sacrifice so that war veterans, peasants, workers, and young people would be reduced to spectators in the country they helped liberate. They fought for land, dignity, justice, opportunity, and a government that answers to its people. As we honor the fallen, we must honestly confront the distance between those ideals and the lived reality of many Zimbabweans. Too many war veterans still face delayed support, inadequate warfare, and economic insecurity. Too many young people see no path to meaningful work or enterprise. Too many communities continue to wait for services, infrastructure, and opportunities that should flow from the resources of this country. Heroes Day must therefore be more than ceremony. It must be a day of accountability. Zimbabwe requires leadership that restores discipline, integrity, and a sense of national purpose within ZANU-PF and across the state. The party's liberation legacy cannot survive where public office is seen as a route to personal enrichment, where patronage overrides competence, and where citizens lose confidence that their voices and their constitution matter. At this moment, I believe General Constantine Chiwenga represents one of the leaders capable of helping to restore seriousness, order, and respect for the values that built the liberation movement. This is not a call for personality worship. It is a call for principled leadership, leadership that confronts corruption, protects the constitution, respects the institution, and puts the welfare of ordinary Zimbabweans ahead of elite interests. Roma developments are good upon what in it. Now, comment section, members of the aim to the bumps of the chit. So, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.